Welcome to this short video on how to upload your monthly return spreadsheet through the new monthly contributions portal. I will let you know where to go to access the new MC3 portal. We will see how you upload your monthly return and show you where the amended spreadsheet is on the website. Let's take a look at the MC3 portal. To access the MC3 portal, you need to go to the Employers section of our website. Here you will find a link to the new portal. The current MC2 portal is still available. However, it will eventually be removed as we are wanting all employers to use the MC3 portal. To log on, you need to type in your username, which is the same one you use to access MC2. Your password will be confirmed to you by your finance business partner. You need to type in the username and password that you've been given. And then select Login. This takes you to the landing page of the new MC3 portal. Now you can see here at the top right hand side who you are logged in as. You also have the option here to view your profile, and this is where you can change your password. You can select this button here to take you back to the landing page. To upload the spreadsheet, you need to select New Contributions Upload. Here it will give you a list of any pay locations that you are linked to, and you need to select the correct one that you're wanting to upload the spreadsheet for. You then need to do step 1 and select the payroll information by choosing the payroll year that the return relates to. You then also need to select the payroll month, and you need to choose whether it's the first posting, the second posting for the same month, or if the file has previous month's data. The majority of the time you'll be selecting first posting. The second posting for the same month can be selected if you forgot to add people on and you've already submitted that return. And the file that has previous month's data is used if your spreadsheet contains any months that's different to the month that you've selected. You then need to choose the file. You can now see that the file check is complete and it's ready to upload, so you can validate the file. You can see here the file contents have been validated successfully and are ready to upload, and there's a total of 19 records found. We now need to select Next to check that all the totals are correct. This takes you to the remittance advice, where you can check the totals match your bank's payment. It will list and total the contributions for both the employee and the employer taken from that month's spreadsheet. You can also add here any additional payments that you're making across, such as deficit payments. You need to check the grand total is correct before making that payment across to the relevant bank account. And you also need to select the date that you're making the payment to us. You then need to select Next. This now shows that the file has been loaded to West Yorkshire Pension Fund's database successfully, and there's a total of 19 records uploaded in the file. We then need to follow the next steps. Step 1, you need to initialise the database checks, selecting Start Now. For a large file, this can take up to 30 seconds. Once this has been done, it will show as completed, and you now need to go to Step 2 to initialise the matching process. It can take up to 2 minutes for large files, and you just need to select Start Now. Once this has been done, it will say that it's been done successfully and the auto match is completed. You then need to go to the Errors and Warnings summary. Here it's showing that there's no errors and warnings found on this spreadsheet. However, if you did have any, they would be listed here. We're now ready to go back to the dashboard before we can submit the file finally to West Yorkshire Pension Fund. So this is still a pending file and it's now 100% score, and it's telling you the status is now ready for submission to West Yorkshire Pension Fund. If you're happy with everything, then you can then select the Submit to WYPF. It then shows you that that return has been successfully submitted to West Yorkshire Pension Fund, and it will be then shown under with the WYPF tab. So we can see here that that submission has been sent across to WYPF successfully, and it's now with the finance business partner to finish with the completion of that file. You can select the back button to go back to the landing page. Let's take a look at where you can access and download the spreadsheet. To access the spreadsheet, you need to go to our website, which is wypf for West Yorkshire Pension Fund.org.uk. From the home page, you then select the Employers tab across the top. This takes you to the Employers section of our website. You now need to select Employer Portal and Monthly Return Portal information. From here, you need to scroll down to where it says Monthly Return Portal, and then select Download a blank monthly return spreadsheet here. From this page, you can then select the monthly return spreadsheet. You will then be able to download a new version of the spreadsheet. There has been a slight amendment to two of the column titles in columns AI and AJ. They no longer start with a number and now start with a letter. And this is because the file, as it used to be, would not upload in the new MC3 portal. All employers should now use this new version of the Excel spreadsheet. Although the spreadsheet has had a slight alteration, everything else remains the same, and any reports you use to obtain your data will still be relevant. Thank you for watching. Further help is available from your finance business partner. There are also some bite-sized videos available that demonstrate areas we think you may need assistance with. And there is a manual you can access on the website as a point of reference. This will go through different errors and warnings that you may come across.